So got my coffee here, and I am going to try to do a rainy day vlog. Just have a few things to do today, and I will take you along with me. Right now I'm going to eat my breakfast. So I'm still working on my eggs, and then I have my overnight oatmeal, coffee for sure, and chia seeds, some cinnamon, almond milk, vanilla extract. But I eat this pretty much every morning. I make them probably like 6 at a time. My husband likes it, but he likes his hot. So I'm gonna eat that. And then I got my coffee here. During breakfast, I like to plan out my day. So I will just kind of write a list for the day, what I want to get done, and any appointments. So I'm gonna work on that. So I just finished my breakfast. Now I'm going to feed my daughter her breakfast and get dressed. Well, I'm dressed. Hair and makeup. I filmed a cleaning video yesterday, and I was noticing that the little like mat that I have is really dirty. I'm going to wash that, so I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like. It's pretty bad. Okay, so here is my rug. So you see this part? That's what it's supposed to look like. And yeah, so I'm gonna throw this in the laundry today, and hopefully it will be matching pretty well. Totally forgot to cover our chairs up outside. Oops. So since it's raining, I just figured I would throw my hair up and kind of braid it. The laundry's done, so I'm gonna flip that over. Okay. So yeah, it is done. That's a lot better. My daughter is playing. I'm going to clean up our bedroom, put some laundry away. I have like 4 days of laundry that I need to put away, so I'm gonna do that. I have the windows open. It's nice and rainy out. I got this one open. Am I the only one that gets so excited about the rain? I don't know. All right. All done, so I'm gonna take that out. Okay. Oh yes, so much better. See, that's what it's supposed to look like. So we ordered a couple of baby gates, one for the Christmas tree and then one for the top of the stairs. There's one I have to pick up, and this one is here. I'm not sure which one, so I'm going to open that and I'll see which one it is. Okay. There's the baby gate. Alright, so this was for our tree. She doesn't usually come out here too often, but it is just something to keep her from pulling on the tree. Alright, so as you can hear, it is time for a nap. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then have my snack. Okay, so I just put her down. She's still kind of talking, but she is tired. She will go to sleep on her own. So I think I'm gonna have a snack and then maybe try to work out now. See how that goes. Okay, so here's my snack. I have some organic hummus, some cucumber, celery, and some baby carrots. I don't think she's going to go to sleep after all, so I'm going to eat this quickly and then get her and see if she wants to play a little bit longer. So I finished my snack and I think she went to sleep. Wait a couple minutes. If I don't hear anything, then I'm going to go work out real quick. Her room is actually above our gym that's in the garage, so I can always hear her when she's up. So change of plans because that's how it is. I just fed her some lunch snack, so I gave her some mozzarella little cheese and some puffs, and then she had some of her baby food. We're just hanging out for a little bit. I'm uploading a video. I might eat a quick lunch and then we'll go out. Like I said, I made a to-do list. I try to put time on it, but you know what? It doesn't always happen that way, and that's totally fine. Working on my video. We'll be out of the house soon though. Yes. Good mood and plain. I'm gonna do a quick workout in our garage, get something done while all my videos are uploading. Alright, so I think I'm gonna work on my back today and maybe a little bit of legs, but that's the plan. So I just finished doing those, I guess, tire rolls. I think I did about 10 laps, and that thing is about 50 pounds, and I am out of breath. I think that's it for today. I only did about 20 minutes total, which is totally fine. Here is lunch. It is this chicken salad that I made. Okay, so Mission soft taco, some baby bell peppers, mozzarella, cucumbers, and my spinach. So I'm gonna eat this real quick and then we are gonna get on out of this house. So it is almost 1 o'clock and she finally fell asleep. So I'm gonna let her take her nap. And while she's napping, I think I'm going to do some dishes and kind of pick up around the kitchen area. Once she wakes up, then we will go out because I do have a grocery pickup. I think it's between 3 or 4 o'clock. Yeah, we'll go out for sure. I know I keep saying that over and over again, but this is real life. Sometimes when you plan on stuff, it doesn't always happen that way, and just kind of have to roll with it. So.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, the fields we go
wipe down of the kitchen. I literally just did a deep clean yesterday and filmed that. So I just kind of wiped everything and made it, you know, not like a crazy mess. Yeah, it is the afternoon. It's still raining and it's nice and quiet and calm right now. I don't know if it's because of the rain, but my video is taking a long time to upload. So I'm gonna go upstairs and see if it works better up here because it's closer to the modem. So I'm gonna be quiet because she feels sleepy. Alright, I think it's actually working better. Love it. Love it. And that she is up. It'll be around the time we can go. And I'll have my protein shake and then we'll go get some groceries and get out of the house. Even though I love to be home, I'm total homebody. When you are at home all the time, you understand that you gotta get out of the house at least once a day. Yep. Oh, if you follow me on Instagram, then about these signs, when two people find each other, let's just stand in their way. My husband actually picked that from the office. I hand wrote it with a Sharpie. Garland here. All of this was at Hobby Lobby. Starting to get the room put together, which is really, really nice. We have a feeling this vlog is going to be very long. Let me know in the comments if you like these type of videos. I thought it was a perfect day to do it, especially since it's raining. Forgive me if this vlog is super, super, super long. It's like not even 2. Alright, so I took a quick shower and changed, and my daughter woke up from her nap. It should be time to pick up our groceries. Just wearing a sweatshirt, some leggings, and these boots. I've had these boots for like 5 years. I think I got them at Macy's. I don't know, I've had them forever and I love them. So I don't always wear gym clothes, even though I am wearing leggings and a sweatshirt. Okay, so I don't always wear like tennis shoes, is what I'm saying. Didn't make a protein shake, I just wanted to get out. So I grabbed this Kind bar. This is the salted caramel and dark chocolate. And I'm gonna eat that and drink my water. And alright, let's go. So we are here to go pick up our groceries. Okay, so we just got home from Walmart. I'm just gonna show you real quick. I got some more yogurt. Sorry, these aren't like all set up pretty. Some dill pickles, some organic soup. I got some more sushi rice for our dinners. We've been doing like a chicken teriyaki. And I got some yellow onion. These, I like to use these as wraps. I was using the tortilla, but these are only 90 calories. Some baby food and some wheat bread. Got some eggs, and I was supposed to get blackberries, but they didn't have them, so they substituted raspberries. And then I also got 4 gallons of water, toilet paper. So I'm gonna put all this food away and then start dinner. Well, I guess rice is the only thing I need to cook. Everything else is done. I usually eat dinner pretty early, around 5, which is about 40 minutes away. Here's some rice. And then I just chopped up some onion and I'm going to mix that in with the turkey, and that's gonna be for my husband's lunch. And I just put some taco seasoning in there. So here's just a meal prep that I make my husband's, just turkey and onion. And then this is my dinner. It's just the sushi rice, chicken with this teriyaki coconut aminos, and some green beans. My eyes are red from cutting onion. You guys have basically got the whole day with me. I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know if you liked it by giving it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you hit that red subscribe button. See you in my next one.